Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon code in your PC. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your PC or your laptop, and in the search bar you simply need to type bybit.com. Once you do this, you just have to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into Bybit. After doing so, you will be able to see the interface of the Bybit website that will look something like this. Here you just have to hover over to your profile that you see in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you will be able to see the option of my rewards, so you simply need to click on my rewards and then you will be landed on the my rewards section where you will be able to see the rewards that you have available. So as you can see that currently I don't have the 20 USDT bonus, but currently I have the 10 USDT reward. So in order to use it, you simply need to click on it and then you will be able to see the information relating to the reward that you have, such as its reward ID, description, product types, etc. And it will also show you the claimable date or the expiration date of this code. So here, in order to use it, you simply need to click on the use button or the claim button right next to it, and then you will be redirected on this page where you can basically buy and sell cryptos on Bybit. So whenever you buy and sell in the derivatives or in the futures, or whenever you do long or short, the trade will be placed, and once it is placed successfully, the money will be cut from that $20 bonus first, only then it will cut from your own amount. So this way you will be able to easily use 20 USDT coupon code on Bybit in your PC. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.